Ever wondered how your smart speaker responds to your commands? These nifty devices, now a common sight in modern households, have revolutionized the way we interact with technology. From playing your favorite tunes to setting reminders, answering queries, and even controlling your home's lighting, smart speakers have a myriad of uses. But how do they actually work? Well, that's exactly what we're here to explain today, so sit back, relax, and settle in as we unravel the magic behind these smart devices. So, what makes a speaker smart, you might ask? Well, our journey into the heart of smart speakers starts with understanding their basic components. These consist of a microphone, a speaker, a processor, and an internet connection. Firstly, the microphone. This is the smart speaker's ears, always ready to listen to your commands. Next, we have the speaker itself, which serves as the voice of the device, delivering responses and playing your favorite tunes. Then there's the processor. Think of it as the brain of the smart speaker. It processes your voice commands and decides on the appropriate action. Lastly, we have the internet connection. This is the lifeline of a smart speaker, connecting it to a world of information and enabling it to perform tasks such as answering questions, playing music, or controlling other smart devices in your home. Now, with these components in place, how does a smart speaker transform your commands into action? Imagine asking your smart speaker to play your favorite song. What happens next? Well, the magic begins with the smart speaker's microphone, which is always on the listen for your voice commands. Like a faithful friend, it's always ready to serve you. Once you speak your command, the microphone picks up your voice and converts it into a digital format. This digital format is essentially a series of 0s and 1s that represent the unique pattern of your voice. But how does this jumble of 0s and 1s become a command that your smart speaker understands? That's where the processor comes in. The processor is the brain of your smart speaker, and it's responsible for converting these digital signals into a format that can be understood. Once the processor has done its job, your command isn't quite ready to be executed just yet. It needs to take a little trip first. This digital command is sent over the internet to a cloud-based service. This is like a giant computer in the sky that has the power to interpret your command and decide on the appropriate response. The cloud-based service then sends back the response to your smart speaker. The speaker then converts this response into an audible format and plays it back to you. So your smart speaker is essentially a mediator between you and a cloud service, but how does it understand what you're saying? This, my friend, is where it gets even more interesting. The secret sauce of a smart speaker is its ability to understand human speech. This marvel is achieved through voice recognition technology, a branch of artificial intelligence. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is voice recognition? Simply put, it's the ability of a machine or program to identify and respond to spoken language. But how does this work? Well, it all begins with the conversion of your spoken words into a digital format. This digital format is then processed and analyzed using complex algorithms. These algorithms identify patterns in the speech and match them to stored phonetic patterns. The result? Your smart speaker can identify and understand your commands. Now here's where it gets really interesting. The AI in your smart speaker is not just static, it's dynamic, it learns and adapts. It gets better at understanding your commands the more you interact with it. This is because artificial intelligence learns from repeated interactions, improving its ability to understand and respond to commands over time. This is the crux of machine learning, a subset of artificial intelligence. This learning and adapting capability of the AI is what makes these speakers smart. They're not just programmed to respond to a set of commands. They learn, they evolve, and they adapt to better cater to your needs and preferences. So there you have it, the complex yet fascinating workings of a smart speaker simplified for you. Smart speakers, a marvel of modern technology right in our homes. We've explored their inner workings, from the basic components that capture and transmit your voice to the complex journey your command follows. We've seen how artificial intelligence plays a crucial role, translating your words into actions. It's a symphony of technology that happens with a simple, "Hey Alexa," or "Okay Google." Next time you ask your smart speaker a question, you'll know the incredible journey that your command takes. Isn't technology amazing? Gee?